I hope we can start the session.
Yes, ma'am, we can start.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for taking time to join today's webinar. We are glad to see such an enthusiastic audience. We hope this session adds real value to your learning and growth. Let's make this session interactive, insightful, and worthwhile for all of us. Let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Gifty Evangeline here, General Manager of Unique Measurement Service, your host for the session. Let me walk you through a few quick rules to make the session smooth. Please keep your mic muted during the presentation to avoid background noise. Feel free to drop your questions in the chat box at any time. Also, we have a dedicated question and answer session at the end. The session is being recorded, and yes, don't forget for the special offers is waiting at the end. In case if you need our previous training sessions, kindly log into our WhatsApp community to get the social links. Our links are available in LinkedIn and in YouTube channel. Let me give you a short note about Unique Measurement Service. So Unique Measurement Service were established in 2015. Unique Measurement Service is the largest industrial measurement and calibration testing scanning service provider in India. We have nearly 16 branch offices. Our head office is located in Padi, Manurpet, Chennai. We use advanced measuring machines with a high accuracy, high precision, and fully automated machines. We provide 24/7 service all over India. Our services: CMM inspection, portable CMM, laser tracker inspection, calibration, reverse engineering, and also we also provide a metrology training courses. Our vision 2030. So we have a vision towards 2030. Our motto is to train 10,000 plus engineers, freshers, by providing training program with the placement in metrology. Also, we are currently doing the training, nearly 25 to 40 freshers being trained in every month in 2 batches. We have exclusive training center at Bangalore, Pina location. So let me have a quick short note on our internal trainer, Mr. Joshua over here. He has well experience in CMM department. He is taking care of the internal training activities. Today, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Naveen. So today he will hand the session. Mr. Naveen K is a mechanical engineering graduate from Anna University with 7.5 plus years of hands-on experience in supplier quality assurance, process quality, and customer quality across the automotive and home appliance industries. He has worked with the leading global organizations with international exposure across India, Korea, China, and USA. He is really passionate about the practical learning. He actively shares real-world quality and manufacturing insights through training sessions and LinkedIn content. He is also passionate about bridging theory with the practical application in manufacturing quality. Also, Mr. Naveen K is a quality management and metrology specialist with a strong focus on practical quality systems and continuous improvement methodologies. He regularly shares industry relevant insights on topics such as quality control tools, supplier and process quality, dimensional inspection, CMM, and metrology practices. So let's unlock the today's session. Today we are going to share you about introduction to quality in service industries. The topics what we are going to cover over here is basics of quality, product vessel service quality, and the benefits, the importance of quality. So this is the time to hand over to the trainer. I welcome Mr. Naveen K to take the lead. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Gifty, for valuable introduction of UMS service. I'm glad to see your vision for 2030s around 1,000 engineers training about the metrology, about inspections. I'm very glad for the opportunity, first of all, to Josh you and UMS management department. And today we will take a quick classes about the quality basics from craftsman to from today old manufacturing quality, how it will evolution was done do period. I will go through it. And very good evening, guys who are joined in 37 peoples. Welcome to each and everyone to this section. So I'm assured that you will definitely learn something about the quality basics and how it will be evolved from the Japan to America, from America to India. So in case if you have any questions during the meeting, you have noted all questions. And last 10 15 minutes, we have a section. I will answer of each one of your questions. So once again, thanks to UMass team and Gifty Madam and Joshua, and welcome to all. So it is a glad to meet you guys. So I'm sharing my screen. 1 minute. So my screen is visible, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay.
it's visible.
And everyone having a different opinion of quality. Very well about I have seen in industries, a service industry having a different opinion of quality, manufacturing industry having a different opinion of quality. But in all sectors across automotive, manufacturing, home appliances, and aerospace and food industry, where the quality means a simple definition in simple terms, doing the right thing the right way at every when people are watching or not watching, when auditor is coming or not coming, when you are doing your work or not doing. So just as an inspector, as a supervisor, as an engineer manager, quality means doing the right thing the right way at every time. This was the simple definition of the quality, and there is a many definitions of the quality like fitness for use, and also the right definition. Whatever product or service or process you are doing, so it should be fitness for use. For example, If you take the pen and cap, whenever you opening the cap and closing the cap, it should be fitment for use. The cap should not be loose, and the cap should not be over, and the cap should not be having any defects. So one more definition for the quality is the failures. For example, UMS is giving the service for the quality like inspection, like any other services. So UMS will be ensure customer should be fitness for use. So there is a two definitions mainly in simple terms, whatever quality, if anyone asks you what is a quality in at any stage, you can for use in another terms, doing the right thing the right way at every time. So this is the meaning of the quality. And coming to second slide, and coming to second slide. So again, what is the quality? It's a fitness for use and doing the right thing the right way at every time. And quality includes, there is a quality means not only the doing the right thing, there is a many factors will be uh, involved in the quality topic. First of all, the performance and the reliability and the safety and compliances and the customer satisfaction. Whenever you're doing the service or manufacturing or a product, it should be perform well. For example, you buying the phone, you buying the car, you buying the any washing machine, you buying a service. It should be a perform well. For example, if you buy a phone, if display is not working, for example, so the performance of the product is fail. It comes under the quality. If you buy a product, if you observe the performance is the weak, it is a weekend of the quality performance. And the reliability means is nothing but the lifelong. It should be withstand warranty period and extended period. For example, you buy a car, so there is a chassis parts like engine chassis, and there is a lot of the parts. It should come withstand for 10 years or 20 years or so long. If you take an example of the tire, they have a reliability of changing after 3000 kilometers or changing after the 2 years of the product. Like that, they will be defined in the drawing of reliability. And third one, coming to safety, it is a must and should everyone require a safety nowadays, especially in any appliances or any automotive or any aerospaces companies. The safety is number one priority. And compliances, we should follow the regulations of the government, whatever the like BS4, BS6, and audits and norms comes under the compliances. And finally should be a customer satisfaction. So here customer satisfaction will come once the customer has purchased the product or the service. So we should be give the service. For example, my customer bought a car. So how many years the part should be availability in the market, and how many years we are giving the service car or the product. For example, if you are taking a service from the UMS, for example, you're taking from an inspection of 3 years or 4 years or 5 years. In case of any issues you have in the inspection or you have any doubts in the inspection, you immediately contact UMS staff for the your questions or your response and so on. So quality includes all come PRSCC. We will call PRSCC nothing but the performance, reliability and safety, compliances and customer satisfaction. So up to this, you have a clarity what is meant by quality and what is meant by includes in the quality performance. So one more example I would like to tell you over here. So whatever industry or whatever service you are working, quality remains the same. The quality remains the same, but the product and service is the different. So the way of the product and the way of the product is a difference. For example, there is another services companies in Chennai. So UMS is doing the different and another companies are doing the different services. But one thing, both service ensure doing the right thing the right way at every time. This is a common equality term, and coming into a manufacturing sector, like for example, Kia, Hyundai, Maruti, BMW, Benz, whatever car they are producing, the end of output will be the same. Should be a quality product, should be a good performance, should be a good reliability, and should be a good safety compliances and as well as the customer satisfaction. So this is the mean the quality versus the industries. And coming to another slide. So this is the origins of the manufacturing quality. So this is the origin of the manufacturing quality. Upon a time World War, the craftsman era, the quality means only ensured skilled craftsman. It means while before World War II, the craftsman era quality ensured only the skill man. It's mean they will make the product and there is a skill man at the quality gate, he will ensure the product. Just so before not century time, there is only one responsibility for design, product and inspection. So before quality means only inspection. They didn't know about anything, and it is the before first quality means inspection. We need to check before delivery to customer. There is a person, a craftsman era time, the quality person only will inspect. He will the product or check the services. Okay, this is okay. Like that, they will and deliver the product. And also, once the mass production has been begins, the focus on the final inspection, defects detection, not prevented. They will detect. So this is the origin of the manufacturing quality. That time, the limitations was very high scrap and the rework and obviously the cost. Because once you have manufactured the product, at of the line you are waiting to see the defect. Okay, we are not preventing the process. You are not preventing in the design. We are not preventing before the new. We are waiting once the product has been done. So we are waiting for the defect end of the quality gate. This was the before origin. What at the start of the quality, this was the fundamental of the quality of people's thinking means quality means detection. Just need to be detected. So this was the origins of the manufacturing and evolution of the manufacturing. In 1920s, they introduced the statistical quality control and process control using the data of SPC. So before they are waiting for defect, quality man at the end of the stage, they are checking only for defect. So this keep on scrap and cost and everything customer complaints has been increased. In Japan, they have introduced the statistical quality control tools in 19. So they're observing the variations in the process while using the HPC data. So post World War II, the quality as a management philosophy, it was Demings in Japan and Joan and in Ishikawa. So they have introduced TQM, Lean, Six Sigma, and ISO 9001. So after that, after post World War II, the quality as a management philosophy. So there is a multiple authors in Japan like Deming, Ishikawa. There is a many more there. They have introduced the quality into the next level. They have introduced yes, they have introduced 14 principles. They have introduced total quality management. they have introduced a lot of things, and they finally said that quality built into a process, not at the final detection. It's built in process. So today, manufacturing quality is the customer focused, the process driven and preventive. Before craftsman era time, quality means detected at the end of the stage. Today, manufacturing quality is not the stage. It is the prevented at the each and every in the process while using the design PPAP keys, process PPAP keys. There is a many tools and methodologies is there to detect the failure, detect the complaints, to detect everything at the stage of the design and the process. So that's why whenever the new product has been developed and new service has been developed, they will be more focused on the failure rate. If I have designed the car, if I have designed the service, for example, UMS is giving the inspection plan to customer. So they will check must and should. What should be a failure? What should be a risk? What should be the thing whenever I'm doing the test? What should be my room temperature? At what level the part I can use the CMM? What probe I should use the part? So this and all UMS will be developed before process giving to a customer. Before UMS will ensure these processes. That what I am telling here into this slide. Quality built into a process. Today, manufacturing quality has been developed very well. They have a vision systems. While I'm working in automotive, we have designed the car cockpit, and at the end of the stage, each and every cockpit will capture all 360-degree of model. Why? Because tomorrow something is happened at the customer place. Tomorrow something happened at the dealership area. It is in our MES to ensure that it has been passed all the levels at our company. So, so these are it is so much evaluated of the manufacturing quality. There is a different authors has been in Toyota, in Japan Toyota, they have identified so many processes, and they have established so many principles, and it's become so popular today. Quality, without quality there is no business, and also quality is the backbone of the every business. In our own example, whenever you buying any product like phone, car, or anything, we also check multiple times whether the quality is good, whether the aesthetic finish is there, whether the color is good, whether the camera is good. It's all nothing about the quality. If the product of the quality is good, the customer will attract. If customer will attract, product has been sold. If the product has been sold, the business has growth. This is the fundamental of the quality strategy. I hope you guys understand. I'm going to next slide. And this is the basic principles. There is in quality, there is so many qualities. It is coming in upcoming slide. So there is a quality control and there is a quality assurance. So quality control is nothing but who are doing the process. There are the owner of the process, and the quality assurance. There are stage for the customer. For example, in UMS, so they once delivery the product to the customer, there is a one quality assurance guy who will support the customer. Customer having their doubts, customer having a different opinion, customer having a different requirements. Things and all will taken care by the quality assurance. So who is quality control then? The assurance guy will tell to the quality control, these are the requirements from my customer. So these are the complaints from my customer. So kindly ensure in our quality control processes. So I have a distinction between the quality control and the quality. Quality control is reactive process, and the quality assurance is active approach. It is a Product oriented, it is a process oriented. Quality control is the inspection and testing, and quality assurance continuous improvements process. And also quality control is the defect identification, and also quality control identification. Quality control is nothing but quality checkpoints, and quality assurance is coming from process design standardization, and obviously quality control at verification, and QA is quality audits and review. In simple example, I will tell what is a quality control and what is a quality assurance. In home appliances, whenever you have manufacturing the washing machine, after the manufacturer, it to the lab. It will go to the lab. In laboratory, quality person will check washing machine is working fine, whether the washing machine is doing performance good, washing machine is as per the specification. They will check as per the standard operating procedures, and they will assure the product. For example, there are manufacturing 500, quality control will be check 20, for example 10% of the product, so they will assure. What quality assurance guy will do, we all packed the machine and we kept the warehouse, and the quality assurance guy will pick randomly 3 to 4 machines, and he will check complete machine like labeling process, and he will test the machine, and he is assured okay, this product is okay. In case he identified any issue, for example a quality assurance guy is identified any issue, he will block the stock. He will not move, he will not ready to dispatch, he will not ready to give the claim customer. So he will raise the NCR, non-conformance reports to quality control. Then quality control will analysis what went wrong, how it skipped from the process, it's crossed the lab. He will do all analysis and he will check 100%, submit the report to quality assurance. It's a nothing but internal supplier and customer. There is one organization, for example, there is a UMS. In UMS, they're doing the inspection product, they're doing the inspection, they have some issues, they will not delivery to the customer, they will check internally, QC and QA will check, and they will assure both together jointly, and they will deliver the product to the customer. This was the basic quality control versus the quality assurance. And we will go to next slide. And this is the quality family. And the quality family represented the key person systems method work together to ensure quality. What is a quality family? In any manufacturing company, in automotive, is home appliances or oil and gas manufacturing, they have 5 stages or so many. It is a depends on company. Basically, this five is must and should. There should be a incoming quality control. There should be a supplier quality assurance. There should be a process quality control. There should be a customer quality, and finally there should be a project quality for the new car development. So so in manufacturing, there is a multiple processes as everyone aware. So I am particularly talking about the quality. Whenever we are procuring a part from the supplier, the incoming quality person will check whether the parts are okay or not. So the incoming quality responsibility only incoming quality parts is coming process right or not as per the standard. So the supplier quality assurance is nothing but he will ensure the communication between IQC, customer and sourcing. He will ensure customer process going as per the design process, defined standard operating procedure or not. He will ensure supplier quality. And coming to process quality control, he having a relationship between IQC and SQC. He will ensure the product. This SQA and IQC are the part quality. He IPQC is the product quality. He will ensure stage by stage whether the product is okay at every stage up to the final stage. In case he find any issue, this IPQC guy will write CR to IQC. This IQC will register defect and will inform to SQA. So this all are the process. And coming to customer quality, for quality, primary responsibility is IPQC, process quality. So in customer end, he having any issue, he will report immediately to IPQC guy. I will check all the process where went wrong, why it went wrong, how it skipped everything. And project quality is interlinked to design quality. Whenever the product has been launched, so the quality will ensure that product has been successfully handed over to mass production IPQC guy. So, for example, if I take any for this complete mechanism, for example, a new car is developing, for example, Tata Nexon, Sonet, Kia Seltos, any car. Whenever the new product has been developed, there should be a PQC, project quality control will be ensure what failures at be the pre-stage and what APQP required testing, validation, colors, aesthetics, durability, everything 90 days or 120 days as per the internal processes project quality will ensure. Once project quality will ensure the project has been handed over to IPQC. So the all documents, check sheets, service check sheets, every check sheets will go to SBOM, internal BOM, goes to IPQC. Then IPQC they will give what and all in regular activity they will give IQC, and obviously there will be interlink with supplier quality and project quality. So, and coming to integrated manufacturing quality, this is the basic structure, and advanced structure will be the this one. So this is a process like incoming quality and process quality, supplier quality, quality lab technician, new project, customer quality engineer, and quality management quality. So it's nothing but quality family ensure product process service consistently to meet customer requirements and standard. Covering all areas from incoming material, production process, supply process, project development, and obviously to the customer satisfaction. So I will quick of each pillar. So IQC focus raw material components and purchased part. Ensure only quality materials enter to production. IQC will end defective free products into a production line. And coming to a process control guy, he will focus on the production and manufacturing processes. For example, each stage, operation 10, operation 20, operation 30, operation 40, they have a multiple stage in the process quality control guy will ensure the torque, will ensure the process, will ensure the action, will ensure the defects, will ensure the PPAP audit, torque audit. There is a multiple audits at the process. So they will ensure at the process stage. And supplier quality, as I said, supplier process, when process, supplier, how, for example, you are getting a part from the supplier, for example, axle. Supplier quality will ensure that how the part has been manufacturing, how what the internal process quality control guy will do in the OEM, the supplier quality guy will do at supplier process end. There is a no major difference. And coming to quality lab in charge, as now UMS is doing the inspection. In some companies, they don't have a lab. They will select services like UMS. They will send parts and they will take reports from the service like UMS. And coming to new product quality and development launch, ensure product meet quality standards from design to production. As I said, they will end PQP to PPAP, new project quality guys. And customer quality, obviously he is responsible for the finished product delivery to customer. He will ensure the customer satisfaction. And coming to QMS is a quality management. He is managing and ensuring quality processes and maintain consistent quality and drive news improvement. QMS is a pillar where the system has been developed for total IoT. There is a one quality QMS guy in every organization. He will ensure all compliances, audits, and management representative. He is a direct collaborated with the audit guys, and this is a must in any service companies. Also, they have a QMS guys. And outgoing quality control is nothing but what you have seen in the last previous slide. He will inspect random product finished products. This is a basic departments at the every stage level. So this is the integrated manufacturing quality. And also you guys, whenever going to any interviews or any projects, they will ask in quality in which department you are expertised. A process quality guy, or you are a incoming quality guy, or you are a customer oriented guy, or service oriented guy. Customer and service is both are the same. Sorry, process and services both are the same, and customer it will be interlinked to all. So be a you must be a familiar in any one pillar. And also supplier commodity, there is a commodity like plastic and paint process and sheet and fabrication and assembly. So that is a very huge topic we will see in coming months and coming days. So hope you guys understand the related manufacturing quality family. It should be across industries like wherever you go in automotive, aerospace and food industries, and even though in pharmacy, they have this integrated manufacturing quality family. So I'm going to next slide. So what is why we are doing the inspection? Why we are doing the everything? Why? So you have a we are doing so much of work like supplier quality, like quality, outgoing. Why? So you have one question. Why? So all departments are equally contribute to customer. So everyone final opportunity to satisfy the customer. So it has been a process, customer satisfaction. Once, as I told you before, once as customer experience is good, the cost reduction will automatically will reduce, and business growth increased, and brand reputation will be increased, and compliance and safety will be definitely will be improved. For example, coming to UMS, I will take an example of UMS. For example, you're taking a course from UMS like inspection, like or service from UMS. First, you should be satisfied of the UMS, what UMS is teaching, and how they're teaching, and what benefits you are getting from this teaching, and what benefits support after that you are getting from UMS. This is a basic fundamental of the customer satisfaction. You are getting a good training, you are getting a good training materials, you are getting a good knowledge, then you are the satisfied. If you are not getting any one of these, then you are dissatisfaction. When you are dissatisfaction, what you will do? You will not recommend to other people's, or might be you will not pay the fees, or may you promote badly. This and all comes under to dissatisfaction. Whenever a customer or you or me while doing like this, obviously the cost will be increased, the business growth will be a fall, and the brand reputation will be a fall, and compliance and safety obviously will be fall. So what suppose UMS is giving a fantastic or extreme or amazing service. What you guys will do? You guys will pay the fees, and you guys will recommend to other 10 peoples or 15 peoples. When you recommend to 15 peoples, what will happen? The business has been grown phenomenally, and the brand reputation will be grow, and the compliances safety will be automatically will be increased. So this is one example of UMS. And coming to second example, everyone why they will like iPhone. In iPhone 17, iPhone 16, there is a no major upgrades. Why people are loving? It has been amazing experience user. So the user feels very safe, or there is a no issues in phone, or there is no any display hang issues on the camera, absolutely okay, so on so. So a phone, a person will tell to family members or the other people the phone was good. So the peoples will be buy attract and they will buy the phone. The same example, take car, you take home appliances, you take plane, you go to hospital, pharmacy, you go to service. The simple concept will be customer should be satisfied 100%. When the customer has been satisfied, rest all things will fall under the gate. Okay. So I'm going to previous slide. So in this structure, all people should be work to satisfy our customer. So all departments equally contribute the work. If IQC guy will leave the defect means it will come to process. When process guy will it will go to customer. When it go to customer, the obviously the product has been and the customer will be dissatisfaction and growth has been less and reputation will be bad and compliance and safety will affect. So that's why I given each and every step. It's very important to each and every stage they have responsibility for everything at each and every stage. At one point it has been missed, entire gate has been struggled, and it will from our end, and finally customer will catch the defect. So what importance of the quality? So please keep remember what is the quality and quality how it has been developed from craftsman to now. Also quality integrated manufacturing family at each stage who and all for responsibility and importance of the quality at the different level. So to specifically in service industry, for example, like UMS or any another brand like showroom like Hyundai, Kia, not manufacturing in service, they will give first preference to customer. There is no doubt at all. They can care customer as a own child baby. So they will not hurt customer. They will not tell anything to customer. Whatever the customer is required, the service will deliver the same. So the service industry is a very big sector apart from manufacturing, but in any original equipment manufacturing company, they design the process, they will ensure that design to service they whenever they design the part, they will check up to the service. They will not check up to the product, they will check up to the service. So that's why the brand announced we are giving a service of 15 years of automotive especially, and coming to home appliance will tell we are giving the 4 years warranty and 10 years spare part support. So these are the brand commitment to the customer. Why? Because if I bought a for example, if I bought the car or if I bought a service from UMS, they need to be assured you have a freedom for 10 years or 1 year or 4 year. If you issue in the product, if you have any issue in the service, we are here. The brand assured that to the customer, anything in your car or service, anything happens, sir, here for 10 years, 15 years for support. So in automotive, they will taken care of 2 years. It's depend on the brand. And coming to home appliances, they will taken care 1 2 year, 3 years, and 4 years maximum. In IFB, they're giving a 4 years warranty, and in another company 2 years warranty and 1 year warranty, and especially for spare part support, they're giving 10 years. It is a strategy. So, a service sector also is very big sector. So you must be aware about the service sector. And I am going to next slide. So that what I am mentioned, process, product, and service. This should be by the brand. Like for example, UMS is doing a service. So UMS need to be in the process, product, and service. There should be a design. I am not talking about the design. That is a topic. After that, process and product and service. It's simply nothing but we need to think what process we need to do and what product I need to be delivering. Experience I need to provide to meet a customer needs. This is an interlinked family process, product, service. For example, is doing a process. For example, UMS is giving a CMM inspection. So UMS having a process like what CMM we have, and for frequently we need to do the calibration, and how frequently we need to do the customer product evaluation, and what we need to give the customer expectation. So you need to define what process, how the work is done to create value. Process is not nothing but to do it. No, whenever you're doing the process, it should be right at the process. That what is telling. Whatever you're doing the process at OP10, OP20, OP30, or MM, wherever, what you are doing the process, how the work is done to value. I am doing a process. For example, I am fixing a CMM gauge to fixing a part. It's a process. I'm doing right. There is any create value for that. So you need to be assure your process. It should be a work is done to create a value. There is a no value. There is a no process. There is a no process. There is a product. There is a no product. There is a no service. There is a no service. There is a no customer. Customer. There is a no business. There is a no business. There is a no reputation. This is the fun process of philosophy across the stage. So, whenever you are quality engineer or production engineer or a service engineer, you should be a defined process very. It should there is a no negotiation at all. So this should be done at this should be done at this operator. This should be done at this level. There is no negotiation. This is the process. Coming to a product, the physical output delivery, how you have designed, how, for example, nothing but the output, for example, you have designed for cars or services. So you need to be delivery exactly to the customer. What you have promised that the should be in 7 colors. So you must do give in the colors with quality defect free. So, or else you are doing some part assembly. So, you should give assurance to the customer saying that this has been a product. So, when process is correct, the product will come automatically good. And coming to service, the experience provided to meet customer needs. So, everyone will succeed at process and product. Some will fail at this. Why? Because they will not able to give part, they will not able to give service, they to give. There is so many challenges. So, but today environment they are giving so many sophistication services. They have apps. They are giving in apps. You call the technician is coming to your home for home appliances and automotive. Whenever you're going to showroom, they will give fabulous services for home appliances. And obviously in farm companies there is a lot of services. And whenever you go, whenever you want a service from you need to go to UMS. They will give you fabulous services. So this it will works at a different level. So I hope you guys understand what is quality and how quality will develop from craftsman to today world, and also you understand the integrated manufacturing and import quality, and also you get aware about the process, product and service. So I have explained whatever I have today section I have prepared. So time lost 10 minutes a section for the question and answer. If you have any doubts in quality management like across the integrated family, I'm welcoming for your questions. Hello guys.
You can unmute yourself and you can ask, or you can enter your question in the chat box.
So I got what is SPC? People are asked what is SPC. So I can take a screen and I will show. My screen is visible, guys. Joshua?
Yeah, it is visible.
One minute, guys. Sorry for waiting. So I will explain over. Sorry again. So I came to finally that presentation. So I took this screen to understand you peoples. So I told there is a process, uh, supplier and customer. So SPC is a powerful method used to monitor, control, and improve process through statistical analysis. If you measure it, you can improve it. It's nothing. Supplier will give the part to a company. There should be a process. In that process, there will be a people management and the method, specification, QMS documents, environment. And this is the voice of the process, this one. And output, product, service, report, change management, and support management. So basically, statistical process, it's nothing but whenever we are doing a manufacturing, for example, you are doing axle part in your company. So at start of the company, whenever you're manufacturing the part, you approve the before manufacturing a quality process quality guy will approve the part. So next 8 hours, it should not be a same situation. So the different part will the supplier end or different people will run the machine or process setting parameter will be changed or some environment will be changed. So in that condition, they will check if you see here, data collection, day 1, time 10, 12, 2, 4, every 2 years, the process inspector or the process quality control guy will take the readings. Not for all, one specific, only the customer specific, this one, CTQ, critical quality parameters like torque, like big axle torque, take the CTQ. So they will note and they will map the processes, the design specifications, there will be some conditions. So the basic means I'm just telling a review about the SPC. SPC will tell whether your process is in or not. You are doing the process, manufacturing that done, manufacturing, you are doing whether it is in control or not. It is in control means there will be a design specific, there will be a tolerance for 10 plus or minus 2. 10 plus or minus 2 means 8 to 12 is your specification. Once out of this specification means your process is out of control. Once the process of control, the process will not meet the product. So that's a simple definition of the SPC. So in coming slides, in coming months, separate section will be seen for SPC. So there is still any questions, guys? Ask, unmute yourself, be brave and ask your questions. No issue, either it is a simple question or it is a tough question. Please free to ask.
सर क्वालिटी में कैसे हम अपने स्किल को इम्प्रूव करें?
ठीक है. In quality, if you want to improve your skills, the first must and thing you should be in quality mindset. So basically, skills means some people will think I do these certifications, I will get this much salary. If I do that, I will get this much salary. It is not like that. Quality is a mindset. It will come from whenever you're going to office, dressing, whether you're taking your diary or not, you are doing your shoes polish or not, will start from there to your culture. You need to be specifically increase first your mindset, and second, you need to be develop yourself as a good man and doing good when no one is watching. That is mean quality is saying. And third, you need to be learn about the basics of quality. So what is quality tools? What is error proofing? And what is the lean? How it will be increased, integrated, and how it will be integrated with these things. So if you are in GT, you need to focus on measurements. How I need to measure bore diameter, how I do measure the diameter, how I do measure the position. So you need to be basics. When you're growing, you need to be do certifications like 7QC tools, where it will work, how it work, like that. So getting so many questions. What is the difference between QA and QC? I already explained in the PPT. So you can go through it. And difference between CP, CPK, we will have a separate section on SPC. Kindly join in that section. So how I manage quality in Lala company? What is mean by Lala company? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lala family running business, owner based company. Okay.
Another
Okay. So just you need to ensure whatever you're doing. Example, whatever business you do, it doesn't matter. So, but you need to be whatever promised to you, you need to do that. So you need to manage everything should be done at right and at right specification and right material, right process. So that is a main thing. And And also you have to manage SOPs, and you need to be fix your process. Whatever you are doing, like for example, you are doing a milk business, you need to be set at what temperature room temperature milk should be freeze, at what time I need to delivery, at what time I need to check the temperature of the milk. So you should be fix the things and follow the things. Nothing but quality means do it right, fix it first time right. Okay? Hope you understand. Example of 8D and fishbone drawing. It will be coming in topics. So I will explain everything in coming 8D is a big structured process solving problem. I will explain. I will quickly explain. Nothing but both are the tools to prevent the quality and defects. And MSA also I will explain in coming Ayyappan. I will explain in coming and hope you guys enjoy the section and see you next month. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Naveen. Your
Thank
topic is
you.
very good and very understandable.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for joining UMS.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
yeah,
Thank you, Gifty Man Joshua. Thank you guys.
yeah.
Have a nice weekend. Keep update yourself. Keep update your skills.
And one
We
thing
will see you in next.
I have to say, we will be continue for next month, and for 6 months we will be continue this session. Every second Saturday and fourth Saturday we'll be having this webinar sessions. So next sections will be quality mindset and customer expectations. Same, it will be taken by Mr. Naveen. So as like this session and next session is also will be, and the topics will be VOC, customer satisfaction, and service recovery. So hope everyone, this session will be useful to everyone. And
सर
our
ट्रेनिंग का आज का सर्टिफिकेट होगा?
certificate will not be provided.
सर्टिफिकेट प्रोवाइडेड नहीं किया जा रहा है?
No, certification nahi hai. This is a basic awareness program hai. So
ओके सर, ओके ओके ओके.
Yeah.
many people will not aware about the things. So if you specifically looking for certifications, UMS will give another suggestions, process mapping. They will guide you. UMS will guide you how to take, where to take, how to go through it.
Yes, we also have our certification programs like CMM training and GDNT, like that certifications
सर
training.
सीएमएम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड मशीन ट्रेनिंग, इन
Yes, yes, both.
इनका फी कितना होगा ट्रेनिंग के लिए सर?
Uh,
फी.
Naveen, can you translate?
No, he's asking how much fees for the CMM program.
Okay, okay. I'll share you my number. You can note it down and you can call me.
ओके सर, ओके.
Okay, okay.
Guys, you can drop your number in message box, Joshua.
Yeah, sure. So this
So
is a
they can
community link.
people.
You can
Okay.
join this QR using this community link, and I'll share you the link also.
ओके सर.
And then this is a feedback form. If any topic you need, you can share through this feedback, or any suggestion you can share.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for attending. Thank you for your time.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you.
team. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Thank you.
You can note it down my contact details for further any need. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. We can wind up this session.